Okay, here we go with the new stuff. Starting with the 3/4 time signature. And let's have the metronome accent that one beat number 1 here. So yeah, every bar is the same rhythm. And one thing, if you hadn't noticed, the strumming is always going to switch between down, up, down. Always that. It's always down, up, down, up, down. Here we go. 1, 2, hang on, I gotta wait for the right click. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 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 3, done. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 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 3, done. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 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 3, done. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. With the repeat, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 2, which I don't have up. Let's fix that. Thought I had it up. Apparently not. Here it is. Okay. So yeah, now back to the 4/4 time signature, but still counting it as a 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3, 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 done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 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 done. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3, 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 done. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was bad. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the really confusing one. So that previous one was a polymeter, but this one really feels like a polymeter. So that means you have 2 different time signatures at the same time. So we got the 3/4 time signature because that's how the strumming pattern goes. But then 4/4 time signature because we got 4 notes or 4 quarter notes per beat. And we're changing the chord every new bar. So yeah, lots of thinking and confusion. But just keep counting it like the 3/4. I do believe that makes it the easiest it can be. But here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3. 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 1 and 3, done. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3, 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 done. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3, 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 done. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So yeah, you got the scale memorization stuff. So remember, just learn a portion at a time. So just start with like the first couple. Get that down before you move into the next. Whoop. Apparently I need to get it down better. So yeah, just going up one, down the next. Up one, down the next. And resolve to that C note at the end. So if you got that memorized before next week, you're welcome to just make a video, send it over early, and then I'll just send you the next one. So yeah, we'll just go at your pace. So no need to wait each week to demonstrate it. If you get it done early, we'll move on early. And then the mode stuff. So the one that you went through already, this is a good one to have for reference, so you remember, or you can see what each mode has. So Lydian's got the sharp 4, Ionian, everything is natural, so no sharps, no flats of any kind. And then Mixolydian has the flat 7, Dorian has the flat 7 and flat 3rd, so a flat 3 and a flat 7. Aeolian's got the flat 3, flat 6, and flat 7. Phrygian has the flat 2nd, flat 3, flat 6, and flat 7. And then Locrian, everything but the 4 is flat. So, when you're doing this stuff, so you make sure that you can play it fairly comfortably before you move on to the next mode. And once you got one down, it's going to work well for the next. So just playing through it, again, like using your 3 different fingers for each bar. I think it makes it a bit easier to get through, or at least understand it. So you can do it with a metronome or not. Main thing is just get through it smooth, be able to hear all the notes, all that stuff. So basically you have this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, boom. So once you feel pretty good with that, you're going to, actually need to change how this looks so everything comes up. Here, let me just do this. Transform, reset, there. And let's mute that. Okay, so copy and paste, special paste. So you can just right click that or do the old Control C, or I don't know what it is on the Mac. I guess you can right click there and it also would bring up the special paste. Or just go up to edit. But anyway, yeah, so special paste, and then make sure that the chord scale diagram is turned on and the text. The most important thing is this chord one, though. I always just put text on by default. But yeah, just paste that in, and then what you're going to do is find what needs to change. So remember, Lydian has a sharp 4, but Ionian has no sharps, no flats of any kind. So you come over here to where you see that first sharp 4, select that note, and then hit the letter A. That brings that chord box up. Type in the correct interval now, enter, and make sure you change that fret number as well. So do that for all the sharp 4s you see. Be able to play through that. And then once you got that sounding okay, you're going to copy the Ionian one, go down to Mixolydian, special paste into this, and then change the necessary interval to turn Ionian into Mixolydian. And that is that. So whenever you got that done, go ahead and just turn it in. And if any questions come up, let me know. All right, we'll see you again next week.